And this is why you need a dash cam. And the thing is that I do have a dash cam, but I just so happened to that moment I just did not have it on. That's why you should always have it on. The reason why I didn't have it on is because I usually only use it for like situations where it's like raining and stuff like that, if I'm on the highway. And I was gonna go on the highway. I was on my way to work, but I was on my way to work and I just didn't want to, I don't know, I just didn't feel like even having it on. Just that one day I just didn't want to have it on. And boom, I could have used it, could have saved myself, because the officer and the guy said it was my fault. I hit a truck. And the reason why is because where I live, going onto the turnpike, to the highway, there's like multiple lanes that are going, I would say like 5 or 6 lanes merging into 2 lanes, and then they become one. And then you have cars that are like the far left. I need to go all the way to the far right to get to the other side of the fork of the highway. It's just like ridiculous clusterfuck in the morning, and it's ridiculous. And there's car accidents there like every day, or like all the time, or at least twice a week. So I guess I was just a victim that day. So lesson learned, I'm always going to have my dash cam on at all times. I don't care if it's like daytime, nighttime, snow, whatever. Any time of the day, I'm always just gonna have my dash cam. I mean, it's good for a lot of other situations though too. You know, some officers don't like to be recorded and they want to harass you. They see your camera, that they're gonna relax. You know, they're not gonna be the way they are normally because they see your cameras on. And other people just get paranoid because nobody wants to be recorded anyway. So you should just always have a dash cam to always protect yourself, period. And you don't even have to get an expensive dash cam. Mine's not that expensive. As long as it records in good quality so you can see what's going on clearly when you take the SD card out of it and put it into a computer or something. As long as you can see the footage well for it to be analyzed, that's all that counts. That's all that matters. Oh, and you have to be able to see in the night too, so it's gotta have like good clear night vision as well. So lesson of the day is always have your dash cam on. Thank you guys for watching. If you like my video, please leave it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my page. And as always, adios. Keep your dash cam on.